hierarchy of life. The hierarchy of life. Now, one of the things that we like to do as people is we like to break things down into little pieces. I'm trying to find something like a Lego, but I don't see anything like that around here right now. Lego, think about a Lego. Think about a Lego construction. It's a castle, but the castle is made of individual pieces, right? So we like to look at the universe being like that everything is built upon smaller things. And when you get down to the point of nothing smaller, well, then that's the basic unit of the thing. Modern discoveries that are being made today, discoveries that will be made tomorrow, are showing that there is actually very little difference between matter and energy. Okay? We are living in a world of electromagnetic information. We are receiving information within the electromagnetic spectrum, and that's what we are. What you see, what you hear, the things that you experience with your senses. So the hierarchy of the universe, but we're going to look at the hierarchy of life. Now, I'm alive, you're alive, a tree is alive, a dog is alive, all those things are alive. Let's look at a tree. A tree is alive, but what is a tree made of? Well, a tree is made of wood, but what is wood made of? The wood is eventually made up of atoms. So the smallest thing, the smallest piece of matter, a tree is matter, okay? A cup is matter. This is matter. This is made of atoms. I can take this cup and I can break it into a piece. And then I can take that piece and break that. And then I can take this piece and break that. Then I can take this piece and break that. Then I can break it like this. Then I can break it like this. Then I can break it even more. 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 And you get to a certain point where, can I keep on breaking it? Yes, 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 yes. But then eventually I get to a point where it's just an atom. Because this paper in this cup is made of atoms. So the atom is the basic unit of matter. Living things are matter. Okay? So we have an atom. Okay? An atom. If I put a bunch of atoms together, I get a molecule. Okay? So a bunch of atoms together make a molecule. But because we are looking at life, I'm going to say organic molecules. All right? And let's just do this. We'll say, okay, C6H12O6. Sugar. Okay? Now, if I put a bunch of specific atoms together, I get an organic molecule. If I put a bunch of organic molecules together in a certain arrangement, remember this is a hierarchy of life. If I put organic molecules together in a certain arrangement, I'll get an organelle. Okay, an organelle. Let's just do mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria are membrane-bound organelles, but the material that makes the mitochondria are organic molecules. And the organic molecules are made of atoms. If I put a bunch of organelles together, I get a cell. Okay? And here, remember that the cell is the smallest unit of life. The cell is the smallest unit of life. The cell is the smallest living thing. If I put a bunch of cells together, I'll get a tissue. Okay? Tissue. A tissue is, well, not like a tissue like you use to blow your nose. A tissue is a group of cells that have similar function and structure. Okay? So you have skin tissue, eye tissue, liver tissue, bone tissue, hair tissue. Hair tissue, sure. Hair tissue? I don't know. Can you call hair tissue tissue? No, I don't know about that. Probably not. But lung tissue, brain tissue, okay? Heart tissue, cardiac. So if I put a bunch of tissue together that have the same job, I get an organ. Okay? Whatever, I'll draw a brain. Okay, I get an organ. If I put a bunch of organs together, what do I get? I get an organ system. Okay, your nervous system. Okay, your nervous system is an organ system. Okay, organ. If I put a bunch of organ systems together, what do I get? I get an organism. Organism. Organ system. Organ. Organelle. Organic molecule. Organisms are organized. We are organized. As organisms, we are organized. Organisms are a combination of organ systems. Skeletal system, cardiovascular system, muscle system, okay? Organisms are combinations of organ systems. Organ systems are combinations of organs. Organs are combinations of tissue. Tissues are combinations of cells. Cells are combinations of organelles. Organelles are combinations of organic molecules. Organic molecules are combinations of atoms. Therefore, organisms are made of atoms, which means we are atoms that know we are atoms. See you next time.